Hey everyone, want to build a website with Framer? Framer is a modern no-code website builder that lets you create beautiful, responsive websites using a visual editor, powerful design tools, and ready-made templates. In this full guide, I'll show you how to build a website with Framer in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Framer account and click New Project. You can start with a blank canvas or choose a professionally designed template to speed up the website creation process. Next, decide whether to use a template or build your website from scratch. Templates provide pre-designed layouts that you can customize, while a blank project gives you complete creative freedom. Now edit your website by replacing placeholder content with your own text, images, logos, and branding. You can drag and drop elements, create new sections, adjust spacing, change colors, and customize typography without writing code. Use Framer's responsive design tools to optimize your website for desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Preview each screen size and make layout adjustments where needed to ensure a consistent user experience. Next, add navigation menus, buttons, links, animations, and interactive components. These features improve usability and help visitors move through your website more easily. Once your website is complete, click Preview to test everything, then select Publish to make your site live. Framer lets you publish on a free subdomain, and you can connect a custom domain if your plan supports it. To build even better websites, keep your design clean, use consistent fonts and colors, optimize images for faster loading, test your site on different devices, and update your content regularly. These simple habits improve both the user experience and your website's overall quality. And that's how to build a website with Framer in 2026. Whether you're creating a portfolio, business website, landing page, blog, or personal project, Framer makes professional web design fast, flexible, and accessible without requiring advanced coding skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.